listen, you gotta stop making viral content. You probably follow some content guru out there, and trust me, whatever they teach is not relevant to you as a high ticket service business owner. Because if you follow their advice, all they ask you to do is find viral videos, copy it, and you'll find success too. But that is simply not a good business strategy. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 simple switches that you can make that'll get you more clients from your content without having to post every single week, chase viral outliers, or keep up with some silly content schedule. But first, let's start with what you're probably doing right now that is wrong. I've done this myself and I've seen my clients do this too. We look at viral outliers from other content creators, we reverse engineer why did it perform well, then we try to copy as much of it as possible. The thumbnail, the title, the intro, the format, in hopes that we will go viral too, and maybe something will come out of that, maybe some sales. Another common mistake, I've heard this firsthand from an actual YouTube coach who used to work for YouTube. Make videos that are broad appeal, that are relevant to as many people as humanly possible, because YouTube is designed to be broad, not to be niche. That's when I started to see the conflict between what YouTube wants and what we want as a business owner. What YouTube wants is they want to show videos to as many people as possible because that's how they can place ads and that's how they make money. But we as a business owner are trying to sell a high ticket service. And if it's a high ticket service, chances are it's pretty niche. That's why you can charge a lot of money for it. So there's this conflict between what YouTube wants, which is they want broad appeal content, but we out here as a business owner making niche content, right? So these two are butting heads and they're not in alignment with each other. The biggest mistake that I see business owners, coaches, consultants do is they try to become a content creator. They try to chase viral videos. They try to optimize the wrong things, titles, thumbnails, 30-second hook. All of that is important, but it's actually the secondary thing. There's a primary thing that you should be taking care of as a business owner. And that's what we're going to be talking about in point number 2, which is what you should be doing instead first as a business owner who's using content, who don't want to become a content creator. So this is something that I've done for this channel when I first started out 2 years ago, but I didn't know what I was doing. But it was the reason why I got clients from this small channel without going viral. And it's because I understand the audience awareness level. Now, without making this too complicated, we're just gonna draw this into 2 steps. So the first one is problem unaware, and down here is solutions aware. So the thing that you're trying to sell is down here. The majority of people are up here. They don't even know they have a problem. Content that resonates with these people are broad appeal videos, topics that are relevant to many people. This is the part where content strategists, typical YouTubers would tell you, hey, find broad appeal videos that are working with other people and just do a variation of that in hopes that you will go viral too. I didn't start with problem unaware stuff. I started with solutions aware stuff. It was a playlist, a series of 5 videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where I teach people who know they have a problem. They're searching for the solution, and I create 5 videos to get them there. So at the end of video number 1, I tell them to watch video number 2. At the end of video number 2, I watch them to watch video number 3, number 4, and number 5. And at the end of video 5, I tell them, hey, by the way, I have this offer. I'll talk about what these 5 videos are in a minute, but the reason why I want them to watch video number 2, 3, 4, and so forth is that I want to increase watch time and average view duration. And this is exactly what YouTube wants. They want people to binge, to stay on the platform as long as possible. So by doing a series of videos that after watching video number 1, you got to watch video number 2 and 3 and so forth, it will increase your watch time and your average view duration. When you're first starting out, all you have to do is make these 5 videos. And these 5 videos will be your sales asset because it will help sell your program and who you are 24/7, even while you're sleeping. And I call it the Trust Accelerator. Every one of these videos is about 10 minutes. If they watch a cumulative of 5 videos, assuming that each video is about 10 minutes, so at the end of the video number 5, they have consumed about 50 minutes of footage of me talking on camera, teaching my thing. They can see my mannerism, they can see my personality, and they subconsciously can make up their mind. I'm like, hey, I like this guy or I don't like this guy. Can I see myself working with this guy? Do I want the thing that he's selling? They subconsciously already made up their mind. And that's the beauty of the Trust Accelerator. So when you're starting out, instead of focusing on viral videos, we'll be focusing on making these 5 videos first. to accelerate the trust of whoever happened to come to your channel. And because these videos are targeting people who are solution aware, usually YouTube wouldn't push it out to as many people as possible. But that's not a bad thing, because even if YouTube doesn't really push these videos out, right now you're probably doing marketing activity for your business. You either run ads, do outbound, you approach people on LinkedIn. And when you do that, before these people reply to you or respond to your ad, they'll Google you up. They see that you have a YouTube channel and they see this playlist of 5 videos. The fact that you have these 5 videos that are deep explaining how to achieve something already shows that you are an authority despite having low subscribers and low views. So once you get the 5 videos out of the way, that's your sales asset done for a while. Then all you got to do every week moving forward, start to make broader appeal videos. And at the end of this video, you tell them to watch this playlist. When I started this channel 2 years ago, I had my solution aware videos, a playlist teaching people how to do stuff. Then I started to go more broad, and one of the broader videos went viral. So that got me a lot of traffic, and the traffic started to see my playlist, and then they decide, oh, this guy's doing this and he has this offer. So a small percentage of those people will become my client. But if you only focus on broad appeal outlier videos, maybe you will go viral. You get all these traffic, they come to your channel, and there's just nothing there except broad appeal videos. You do not come across as a authority. You come across as like some YouTuber trying to go viral all the time, which is not what you want as a business owner. So now you understand the concept. What are these 5 videos? So this is an example of the 5 videos that I am doing. If you do these 5 videos right, you should be getting clients way better than posting random viral content hoping to get something out of it. Okay, so the first video would be you painting a picture of a hyper-specific problem that the audience is having. And the reason why you want that is you want them to feel like you understand their pain. You are on the same level as them. You have gone through the same thing that they're going through, because you want them to feel relatable to you. The point of video number 1 is to get their attention, to make them feel like you get them. Video number 2, once you get their attention, you show that you know what you're talking about. After they watch the video, they apply this really quick thing, they immediately can see some sort of result. It's called do this for a quick win. Then you tell them to watch video number 3. You make a video saying, hey, stop doing this, do this instead. So whatever they think they gotta do, but is actually wrong, call that out. Stop doing this, do this instead. Then moving on to video number 4 is where you show a case study of how you help other people so they can see themselves in the person that you just helped. So the format could be, I fixed this person achieve something without whatever. And lastly, video number 5, this is your 4-step system to achieve X without Y. This is your Big Daddy video explaining the overview of how your program works without getting too technical. You just want to tell people you just met how this whole thing works if they're interested. And at the end of this video is where you show them your offer. Hey, by the way, I have this coaching program or this consulting or this cohort or this webinar or this workshop, whatever it is, check it out in the description below. So if you see here, the first 4 videos are not promoting anything. It's just telling them to watch the next video and then the next video. Only at the final 5th video is where you tell them, oh, by the way, that's exactly what I walk you through in this program that I have. And then you put the link to your offer there. So this video that you're watching right now is video number 3. Now, this is how you can start getting clients with just 5 YouTube videos. And this strategy is so much more clear and simpler rather than you having to figure out, oh my God, what's the next viral video I have to copy. But the first thing that most people get wrong is that they tend to copy other coaches online and they end up looking exactly the same. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I help a coach find what makes her unique to finally stand out online, blew up her account so she can start getting more clients to her coaching program. If you want to see how I do that, watch this video right here.